Let us see the one example problem for solving the Francis turbine on Francis turbine. So this is the question on Francis turbine. So let us write the given data. A Francis turbine has guide vane angle of 15 degrees. That means guide vane angle, alpha equal to 15 degrees, and its inlet flow is radial. Inlet flow means theta equal to 90 degrees. Its inlet flow is radial means whenever you see the radial, the two inlet, we consider theta equal to 90 degrees. The ratio of inlet diameter to outlet diameter is 2. So the ratio of inlet diameter d1 by outlet diameter inlet diameter to outlet diameter 2. The flow velocity is the flow velocity is 5 meters and it is constant. That means flow velocity vf1, flow velocity at inlet vf1 equal to 5 meter per second. So that is and is constant. That means at inlet and outlet the flow velocity is constant, that is 5 meter per second. vf1 equal to vf2 equal to 5 meter per second. Considering the exit discharge as radial, so exit also here radial, that means beta equal to 90 degrees. So write the condition when theta equal to 90 degrees, when theta equal to 90 degrees, Pw1 equal to u1, Vw1 equal to u1. When beta equal to 90 degrees, Vw2 equal to 0. These are the conditions when the water is flowing radially at inlet and outlet. So to calculate this problem, we have to draw the velocity diagrams. This is the blade. So inlet triangle alpha equal to 15 degrees, u1 that equal to vw1. This angle is beta equal to 90 degrees. So if the beta equal to 90 degrees, the triangle is right angle triangle. Let us give the vertex names A, B, C and D, E, F. Okay, so what is the question? In that question, what you have to determine? First thing, the peripheral velocity at inlet. So that means first one we need to calculate peripheral velocity of inlet, means u1 equal to calculate. Next thing blade angle at outlet. Blade angle at outlet means pi equal to what? So these two terms are we need to calculate. So in generally u1, how to calculate u1? By knowing u1 equal to pi d1 n by 60. This is the base formula. But in the question there is no n value and d1 value. So we can't find this u1 value by using this formula. So see the diagram of inlet triangle. So this is a right angle triangle of angle BAC. So you know the opposite side vf1 value, that equal to 5 meter per second, vf1 value, and you don't know v1 value. So we take sine value, sorry, you take tan value. So tan 15, that equal to opposite side BC by adjacent side AB, that equal to BC VF1 AB equal to U1. So tan 15. So from that substitute these values. After substituting these values, VF1 is 5 meter per second by U1. So take the U1 outside. U1 equal to 5 by tan 15 degrees. So by calculating this value, (18.66 meter per second) comes. So this is the U1 value, 18.66 meter per second. So first thing is we already calculated. Next one, B, blade angle at outlet, pi equal to 0. Pi equal to what? So same, in the outlet triangle DEF, triangle DEF, this is the triangle. So in the triangle, 4 things, that means angle, opposite side, adjacent side, 4 parameter: angle, opposite side, adjacent side, and hypotenuse. So out of these 4, if you know any two values, you can easily find remaining all values by using trigonometric formula. But in triangle, you only know VF2 value, that equal to 5 meter per second, but you don't know U2 value, you don't know VR2 value. So in the problem they are given one clue, D1 by D2 equal to. So in triangle we take tan pi equal to opposite side by adjacent side, opposite side DE by EF, that equal to VF2 by U2. VF2 equal to 5 meter per second U2. So if you know the U2 value, you can find pi value. So U1 by U2 equal to, what is mean by U1 formula? Pi D1 n by 60 by pi D2 n by 60. Okay, so by cancelling these terms, n is same for inlet and outlet of the runner. We obtain D1 by D2, that equal to U1 by U2. Substitute these values: D1 by D2 2, U1 by U2. So from that, U2 equal to U1 by 2, that equal to U1 18.66 by 2, U2 equal to 9.33 meter per second. So substitute this U2 value, tan pi equal to 5 by U2, 5 by 9.33. So pi is equal to tan inverse of 5 by 9.33. Answer is 28.187 degrees. This is the answer of blade angle at outlet, pi value.